The massive stump continues to cling stubbornly despite the relentless assault from the excavator, until a skidder arrives to assist in pulling it from the ground. This moment is truly satisfying, as the entire removal process unfolds impressively. Each part of the stump is gradually extracted, showcasing the power of modern technology and leaving onlookers in awe of the flawless coordination between the machines. It's not just about removing a tree stump. It's an inspiring display of it. The skilled lumberjack confidently handles the chainsaw, expertly tackling the massive pine tree. Each cut is precise and powerful, resembling a dance of strength and skill. The sound of the saw reverberates, mingling with the fresh scent of sawdust, creating an atmosphere rich with emotion and professionalism in every move. This is not just a job, it's an art form, where focus and experience come together to create memorable. The Vermeer 630 stump grinder stands before a significant challenge but shows no signs of giving up. Slowly and steadily, it grinds the tree stumps into fine mulch, showcasing its incredible power. The MEM ORHTZ 130 Plus showcases its elegance firsthand. Its smoothly operating engine skillfully cuts logs into thin slices, demonstrating precision and artistry in the wood processing industry. This chainsaw comes with two cutting heads specifically designed for tackling large logs. This machine makes quick work of stumps, finishing the job in just a few minutes. It's all yours for around $3. The Komatsu 931 harvester, equipped with a powerful engine rated at about 68.65 kilowatts, is actively trimming spruce trees in southern Sweden. The Liv 2X 5.5 winch faced an imminent risk of tipping under the heavy load of logs but managed to stabilize just in time. Fortunately, no disaster occurred. In the early stages of the wood processing industry, before advanced technology emerged, steam-powered saws played a crucial role. If you want to remove tree stumps without heavy machinery, the Deere 32000 loader is your answer. It's compact, quick, and makes stump removal easier than ever. With its high performance, it's the ideal tool for efficient garden maintenance. The Black Splitter Log Splitter is a modern, professional cone-shaped device specifically designed for efficiently splitting large hardwoods. This innovative equipment significantly reduces both time and labor demands, enhancing your productivity. In the woods of southern England, a timberjack logging machine is swiftly pulling out large logs, racing against the clock before night falls. It's all about getting the job done efficiently, no time to waste. The brand new John Deere 1470G harvester features a sharp H290 cutting head, enabling quick and efficient wood cutting. This machine is designed for productivity and precision in timber harvesting. The wood peeling process is both innovative and efficient. The modern machines roar and hum, effortlessly revealing the beauty of the wood grain beneath. Join us on this exciting journey. That's for sure. At North Sandia Road, the Sandia Ranger District is using a winch to pull a large tree stump. They had to work hard with axes to dig it out first. It's straightforward work that requires determination and skill, especially with a stump that tall. The forestry mulcher processes tree trunks into mulch, providing essential coverage for the soil. This mulch contributes to soil health and fosters a nurturing environment for plant growth. In the heart of the beautiful Puga forest, timber is being swiftly moved from deep within to the collection points. It's a seamless cycle that feeds the heartbeat of the forestry industry and keeps things moving forward. Hey, did you see that? A logger in safety gear is climbing up a tall pine tree. Isn't it impressive how he's cutting at such a height? What do you think? He must have done this 1,000 times. The MEB ORHTZ 130 Plus showcases its elegance firsthand. Its smoothly operating engine skillfully cuts logs into thin slices, demonstrating precision and artistry in the wood processing industry.